In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fund your dream lifestyle using economy cars. This is actually pretty simple, and it's just a simple math equation. So I'm going to show y'all exactly how this looks like. So let's get right into the video. The first thing we want to do when we're trying to fund our lifestyle, when we're trying to start a business, is to understand how much money we need to make in order for us to hit our goal. So we're going to start by looking at exactly where we are. When I started this business, my first goal was to be able to quit my 9 to 5. And in order for me to do that, I knew I needed to make 5K a month. Now, this goal is going to be different for everybody. So for you, that goal could be 5, that goal could be 10. But for the number's sake, we're going to start by using a goal of $5,000 a month. So we know we need to make and keep $5,000 every single month in order to hit our first goal, which will be free up our time. Once you free up your time, you can put more time into the business and grow it a lot more quickly. So our initial goal is to do 5K a month. Now for the economy cars, we have very predictable revenue, which means we have predictable profit margins. So for me, I rent my economy cars at $400 per week. This gives me $1,600 a month. So that's pretty simple. Now, this $1,600 a month isn't profit, it's revenue. So we divide this by 2 in order to get our profit number, which will be about, what is that, $800 a month. $800 per month. Cool. So we do 800 every time we make $1,600, keep 800. Now we want to get to 5. So it's very simple math. We know that in order to do about 5K a month in profit, we take this 800 number and we divide it by $5,000. So $5,000 divided by 800 gives us about 6.25 cars. And since we can't use 25% of car, we're going to round up to 7. So we know that we need about 7 cars to have us keep 5K a month, right? But 7 cars isn't going to do 5K a month. So with 7 cars, we know that our revenue is going to be $1,600 times 7, which gives us a monthly revenue of $11,200 per month. Right? So we know $11,200 per month. And out of that, we keep 50% of that, which is, we divide this by 2, which gives us a total of $5,600 per month. Very simple, very straightforward. So now we know that for us to get to our goal of 5K a month, to be able to free up our time to go full time in the business, we need 7 cars. That's it. We need 7 cars. Now, I understand that everybody doesn't just want to maintain their current lifestyle. You want to be able to maintain your future lifestyle or your dream lifestyle. So the first thing we need to figure out is, what is that dream lifestyle? Is that dream lifestyle at 10K a month? Is it at 15K a month? Is it at $20,000 a month? Can we comfortably live and get all the things we want at $20,000 a month? Well, I think $20,000 a month is a good number, right? But just for number's sake, let's say our dream lifestyle is at $30,000 a month. $30,000 a month. Now, this is a big difference, and it's going to be difficult for you to hit $30,000 a month without freeing up your time first. So we need to make sure that we do everything to hit this first goal. Boom. Once we've hit this first goal, now we can put all our time and energy into hitting this one. All right. So now we know, okay, very similar equation. We know that we have each car is bringing in $1,600 and we're keeping $800 a month in profit. So $800 per month is equal to our profit. And now we have a very big goal of keeping $30,000 a month. So we take that 800 number, we take $30,000, we divide that by 800, and we have 37 and a half cars. Now, obviously, we can't have half a car, so we need 38 cars. 38 cars to keep this number. But this isn't going to only make us $30,000 a month. If we take 38 cars, our revenue, so we take 38 and we multiply that by 1,600, we're going to be doing $60,000. And this is a clean $60,000. Well, $60,800 every single month. And then out of that, we keep $30,000. We've just reverse engineers how many cars we need in order to hit our dream lifestyle. And we know that with these amount of cars, we can make $60,000 every single month. And then we can keep 30 grand. And 38 cars sounds like a lot, but in the economy car game, it's actually not. So if we look at how much is it going to cost us to get 38 cars, well, we're buying each car at a maximum of, let's say, $5,000. So for 38 cars, we need 190K. Now, people are going to be, oh, where am I going to get 190K? Well, 190K cash or 190K credit. Do you think it's going to be easier to get 190K in cash or to get approved for 190K in credit? We have a lot of options we can go to hit this 190K. We have business credit cards. With business credit cards alone, we can do 25 to 150K. That almost gets us there. And then we have personal loans, which will be cash. We have lines of credits, right? Obviously, this will be BLOC, so business lines of credits. Guys, this number is extremely, extremely realistic. And we know that all we have to do is get here with 38 cars to do $30,000 a month. Now, this number is going to look different for each and every person. Somebody's goal might be $50,000 a month they want to keep in order to live their dream lifestyle. However, the most important part about this entire process is making sure that you do the initial thing first, which is freeing up your time. Once you have free time and you can put all the energy into the business, it becomes very, very easy and straightforward to hit your goal, to hit the dream lifestyle. The economy car game is an unlimited game. Now, let me break down a few of the things that we can do to get us to 38 cars without actually having to put up $190,000. Let's say we don't have cash or credit. Now, before we do that, go ahead and like the video, smash the like button, leave a comment. Let me know what video to make next. Let me know what you guys find valuable. I'm enjoying making this video. I'm enjoying creating this channel. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's go. One of the best ways you can quickly scale your business is through joint venture deals. Partner up with other people who have cars, who get easy access to cars. If you can master the JV deals, you don't have to put up the cash. You can hit your dream number without any of your own cars, any of your own money. That's the beautiful part about this. You don't need cash or credit. There are a lot of people who run this by brokering, partnering up with other people, doing JV deals, working with independent dealers, and you bring in the knowledge, you bring in the time, you bring in the operation, they bring in the cars, you take 50%, they take 50%, boom. Now you have a business. You're still keeping your 50% margin, and you're able to hit your dream number. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. More videos on the way like this. I'll see you on the next.